Password management. What is password management? Password management is the process of securing and managing passwords throughout their life cycle through sustainable practices to prevent unauthorized access to accounts and services. A 2020 data breach investigation report found that 81% of hacking-related breaches were caused by compromised passwords. It is crucial that a strong password policy is implemented to protect valuable information. Users need to authenticate passwords through tools and services provided or approved by their organization. Due to the increased use of technology and the effects of COVID-19, more valuable information is being put on different networks. Therefore, the amount of data that can be accessed unauthorized has grown exponentially. In security, having a more broad network and larger assets means there's greater potential for threat actors to target your organization and to find flaws in your security posture or even lack thereof. A lot of different organizations store their information outside of their own network. Your organization should strive to follow a basic model of limiting access to information, verifying the integrity of that information, and making that information available only to authorized people. Simply, never share your password. Use a password manager, and always have your password manager available. A recent example found that an educational organization experienced hate and graffiti being posted on their website due to a password being breached. A threat actor had not only gained access to their website, but also access to personal information. Hateful emails were then sent out to families, students, and teachers. What could have been done to prevent this type of situation? Every password should be unique to each individual, be at least 10 characters in length or longer based on a regularly updated security policy. Another option is to use a sentence or phrase. An example would be, "Sunflowers bloom toward the sun." Implementing a multi-factor authentication process would further enhance your security posture and help prevent password breaches like this in the future, as each password must be verified against an additional layer of security unique to each particular individual of that organization. This alone could prevent 99% of account breaches. As we learn to live day to day with more technology, so should our obligation toward furthering our education in better security practices. Try to avoid Remember My Password options, as newer web browsers can oftentimes allow a threat actor to view passwords through modifying or circumventing that browser's settings. This would also include avoiding saving any passwords in digital documents or out in the open. To ensure all your important information is protected, it is crucial that everyone abides by the security policies created, no matter how big, small, or even complex, and that they are applied to all systems and processes connected to any organization's network and technology assets.